It's no good, no good. Like serious, no good.
No, they okay because it's not good. As in, you can't just spend money anyhow now.
In the sense that she would just somehow lazy. She would just dependent on that guy. Like any other thing she care for, anything she wants, she have to go to the guy. It's not really right. It's not the best way to do things.
Okay, welcome back. This one, Bobo Siana, we just returned from the streets where we don't hear waiting our men them got to talk. I have MC Shakara inside the bar and Edewo is still inside the bar. So, our topic,
I want pick wetin one guy talk that time. The guy say, if you give her money, she will come be dependent on that money.
Which you have to always give a woman.
But normally, I no get problem say you give woman money. But as I talk am before, if I give you this money for this reason, may we agree, say no, nothing will just come up from somewhere, say, Omo, this 200K where you give me, I feel use that, I feel use like 50K, go buy one new bag where I see. And that thing, no dey the plan of that 200K.
No, because
that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. You are talking about shopping and dress. Yes, you shop for the house. Now, do you shop like every 2 days? No. Not even every 3 days. Re-shopping for a big house, you understand, can last 2 weeks. You understand? So if you okay, we need to go shopping for the house. I am available. I'll give you money for shopping. Then you go buy whatever you want to buy. And then you're not going to say that the following day again, I won't go give you money for
a woman. A good woman like to flex her husband money.
And then I will give you.
So I'm saying now,
but
for instance now,
if you know like salary.
No, but it help man plan better.
It is planning.
If you are not
let me the shopping. That's planning.
If you know that,
if you shop for the house, it's planning.
In 2 weeks you will spend 50K in shopping.
Wait, so you buy every day.
No, if you know that in 2 weeks 50K, that means in 1 month you are spending 100K.
For a month.
Then NEPA bill, maybe if you know the day around to want the bother you for those light bill issue, maybe children, something, one thing. And you tell your wife, take 200K once and for all. She's not going to bother you. She's working also.
Who says she won't bother you?
She's bothering you, It could be things like, oh, my mother say they need money for this, so and maybe she just feel like say it's too big for her to do. You understand? So? Yes, now. If not, I don't want to hear. So? The only reason why most men they release money, give their wife ahead of time, because they don't want.
They don't want.
Do you know when you don't give woman this month, for example, 100K, you know, the next month 100K. When that 100K they come, it enter her account as her money.
Yes, but
you understand?
Your money,
you put down there.
You understand?
But your money now.
Now they talk, so
yes,
you understand? And so she can use it to do whatever she likes. And she they do it with the hope, say, she will replace. It gets something to go happen when you say she no go feel replaced immediately.
But it no concern you.
Yeah, why go no concern you? A man you there house.
Do you realize?
For example, now you talk of NEPA. And they come. For example, now you talk of NEPA because she know sometimes she don't expect. Say maybe expect how they use prepaid. Say like they all finish. That she don't expect say for with her business when they enter that money. Maybe her sister don't call her say please borrow me. She goes to pay back before because they like to do side thing where they no go tell you.
But you can't blame her.
Women now they talk because you they say she will leave you. And they explain to you because they say she will leave you once and for all.
No.
You got to hear explanation. You got to tell say there's no like what happened. Say we could buy they were go story go call they come. You got to disappointed.
If your wife, you understand? You do that thing, you understand?
There are things.
If you do it in the first month. Where they say maybe you don't buy food.
Not be her plan.
I'm coming. Yes, now thank you.
Some of them, their friends go get problem.
You have to be reasonable.
As far as they get money when they feel rich because their friends they want problem. They go just carry that money give. Believe me, say you don't say that they work. They're supposed to pay them, and then they do business. Somebody supposed to give them money, and the money no come.
As far as I'm concerned, you as a man cannot be a better planner than a woman who is your wife. If you marry a good wife, she's your planner. My sister, you understand? The whole of her husband's salary. As they pay am, na account they enter. Na how they come out, I don't know how much pocket money she dey come out, give am, you understand? For wherever he dey. How they come out.
No, soldier. That's what they do soldier now.
No,
you cannot compare soldier. Soldier they pay their wives.
Yeah, because he knows how he dey spend.
Soldier.
So if you know how you dey spend, you can help yourself. And if your wife disappoint you the first month.
Yes.
You give her another month again, you do am that same issue, like no come again, or one issue. The third month, you as a man will punish her, but tell her, I want to be holding it by myself. She will learn.
As it be,
But most wives, we have to go on this break. When
But
we come
what's
back,
the
and then
difference?
one must,
There's no difference. There's no difference between giving, except she comes to ask me, I don't give her.
The difference is that she has security because she doesn't trust you
I will
not to
tell
spend
you
the money
what it
or
is.
give it to your girlfriend.
I will
But
tell
when
you
we come
what it
back,
is.
I'll tell you more, and then I'll tell you more. Don't go
What can I
anywhere
say?
to see opinion when they come back.
E dey good
Yes, it makes sense.
if the babe no dey work na better thing for the guy make he dey give the babe money.
The money dey okay now. At least we go dey share the salary.
We say the day, I mean, the bar is still on fire. Try to convince
You no
Shakara.
go think that
Shakara.
time when she got that excuse, you no go see am as excuse.
Shakara
Say,
Shakara
say for your
Shakara,
man's safety, please tell
Shakara,
him.
the same way your wife go like as Ashoma talk and say she go
Okay,
want
you know
help
how many men-
plan.
you know how many men
You know
wey-
your wife dey help you plan your money.
uh.
Na the same way you go tell am.
But you know how many men wey
Dear,
dey
they
give-
give you this 200k. Say
Okay,
we dey
wait.
use 200k as
Wait.
example every month.
Wait, okay.
This 200k na
Okay.
for the house upkeep.
Upkeep,
We
everything.
know
Okay.
anything that has to do with the house.
Okay, wait, let me ask you a
200k
question
go
now.
Then you
cover
as
am.
a
Let me
man
add
should
it
have
up.
miscellaneous.
Then
Let's
miscellaneous
use
go
at the
dey.
top.
When you
Let's
know say
use-
if you dey carry, they
Oh,
give
yeah,
her in
wait,
case.
wait.
So you no go
Now-
expect say
Oh,
your
yeah,
wife go
listen,
spend
listen.
the upkeep money on
I
top
hear
something
you. I
else.
hear you. There. Listen. Let's more use our imagination now. Let's just do the ratio now. More just think Naija now. Say the number of men where they give their wives monthly alawi, and the number of men where they do pay as you go anything the
Anything
woman
wants, come collect.
Which one plenty pass? More if your imagination.
Majority of
The
men,
majority they give alawi.
majority of men give alawi.
Majority give
Monthly.
alawi.
Yes.
Yes, so
For this country.
Even
Yes.
the poor men.
How many can we
Majority
Majority
they
they
poor
give
men.
alawi.
You know why?
You-
Now only people like them bricklayers where they come every day. Whether you like it
Anything wey
or
come their
not,
hand, they
people
drop
still
am.
come daily and give. Like in the north, where I was born, you
Okay,
understand
okay.
them. In the north,
Majority they drop alawi,
in the north, the north believe in cooking soup every. You know how they do me and cook am. The north they cook soup every evening.
How many married men there for control room? Ask them. I just want to do
But na
very
true.
example. One quick
Okay,
example.
please. Shakara,
It's one
a lot
married-
of
it's
people
one
dey
married.
give
How many
alawi.
married men there?
A lot of people dey
You
give
want
Ask
you
them,
alawi.
want
ask them.
bank holiday,
How
you
many
are
people?
married. Do you give your wife salary?
Some of them they call am
Wait,
food
wait,
money.
Tell me, I want to hear. Do you give your
Monthly.
wife salary?
Monthly money, yes. Monthly money.
Eh? You dey give allowance, ba?
Monthly
month.
allowance.
Wait, I want to hear. Do you give your wife allowance? You give her allowance, abi? Monthly, and if she call for more, do you still give her? You don't give her again.
Because
so you got the
because-
principle to tell
because
you.
your principle, they are trying to train
you
her
want to train
to
her
stop
to
spending
stop
money too
spending
much.
So you know your mind is free. I'm telling you, I'm not
What are you
married,
saying?
but I know that I can. If I
Let me
marry,
tell you,
I'll be a good husband.
Let me
See-
tell you.
see,
It's
I'm
not
not
matter of
being
the-
Shakara,
it's not matter of the monthly money. You know
Shakara
why?
says go
Do you
be-
know that I have
why? Because-
a cousin that was giving his girlfriend salary of
You-
up to
do you-
300k every
do you know
month.
why?
See,
Do
and
you
when
know
she
why?
come
Do
from
you know
Calabar
why?
to
See,
you,
let me
you
tell
will
you.
still give her money again.
Let me tell you, if you never control big house, me I've controlled big house with many people
How do you
under
not
me.
control big
Oh, yeah,
house?
oh, let me.
How do you
because,
know?
because I know you now. I know you.
Shakara,
You are all by yourself.
Shakara,
Wait,
everything
listen.
is-
Let me give you this
Why is-
example,
why is
please.
it- Oh, yeah,
Last
give us.
example.
Give us, give us.
Last example. Like now. There are matters arising where this one no expect, one no budget for. One day, when you say one thing, do one thing.
But now guys you dey live with.
No,
But
wait.
na guys you dey
I dey
take care
come
of.
now.
Na
Now the same
guys,
as family now.
it's
People
not
not
the
get men
same
children.
thing as a
Wait,
woman.
now then they
A
spoil
woman
generator.
is a planner.
Wait now. You say for the house, abi. But you say generator pack up. Want to things were unnecessary things before you know one thing. And you call it say you don't already give you money. I don't already give you money for the house. You understand? These are additional things that are coming up. So you see the same thing. You are still giving money.
No, Shakara.
You are still giving
Shakara,
money.
Shakara, what
because
you-
you cannot
what
tell
you-
your wife. See, if you from a day house, you don't give your wife money for the house to take care of everything, every bill. Then when they say generator pack up.
No, Shakara.
Then you cut and say,
Shakara, things
I want
dey-
to say,
I want to answer.
I don't give you
I want
money.
to answer you.
Shakara,
You understand?
Shakara,
Yes,
They
you are
cut
giving
and
your
say, I
wife.
don't give you money.
You say that allowance you give your wife or salary you dey give am, you understand? But you are
To-
still a man.
to
You
take care
dey
of the house.
you dey for her. I just give you example. I say even no matter how much when I still know say I don't give my wife money. If I dey drive dey go house and I see potatoes for road. I see. I don't say because I don't get money for food. I will still buy yam when I see. Now you there for house and just spoil. Why you going to tell your wife? Say, no, but if you don't get, see your wife is your wife. Now one, you put one.
You know why?
See, you are one. If you don't get money,
I am speaking
if
on
you don't
behalf of
get
the
money,
average man.
no.
When we say
the average man that wants to plan,
let me tell you,
that wants to plan,
you are talking from a very
do you want
a rich
you do know
and
what you are
comfortable
doing?
man.
You know what you do.
A rich and comfortable man. We have a lot of people now.
You are making
The
your wife
population
dependent on you.
No.
You want your wife to call you for every thing.
Showman, where you are.
Shakara,
No.
Jen just point now. Shakara, Pepper don't finish. No. But she has your money that you've already given to her and she can use it. And if you are in the house and you notice that you need to do it.
When I tell you something, say, for this show, some time back, say, me and my wife go get one account where they say, you understand? She can withdraw, I can withdraw. You understand? So if she won't use money from there have to be a reason.
Yes, now.
You understand? So I don't want to go by say, I dey give you this money every month for the house.
I know we need to wrap up.
We have money.
I know
that
we
money
need to wrap up.
Me, I cannot go and just use that money.
I know we
have
need
to have a reason.
Listen, I know we need to.
That is it. I'm not giving. It's not your money for the month.
Listen, I know
this
we
money
need to
is
wrap
there.
up, eh?
We might
I
finish
know we
it for
need
the
to
month.
wrap
We
up,
might not
Shakara,
even finish it.
But you must. One thing
I'm gonna add
I
to
want
now.
to tell the viewers that we're wrapping up. We have to end the show. Thank you, Edewo. Thank you, Salem. But you must realize one thing: that no matter how much you are, even if you are giving your wife fixed salary or whatever it is, or you open a joint account, or you open a joint account like he rightly said, accounts can be opened. But you must know that before you call that person your wife, that means you trust her. To be a wife is a bigger responsibility. That means she's running your empire. You are great if you run your empire. So no matter how much she put her hand inside, you as a man most time have to keep quiet and look at. If you overdo them, then you know that you will stop either giving her the salary or you stop putting money in their account. But from us, man, I want to say goodbye. This topic is too extensive. I cannot take it. Good night. We love you.
If you are not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we carry